Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is Indra Group USA opens Kansas manufacturing hub to produce FAA radar systems and expand US workforce. Indra Group has inaugurated a new manufacturing center in Olathe, Kansas, marking a major expansion of its US operations. The facility, backed by a $50 million investment, is intended to support production of next-generation air traffic management systems. The 118,000 square foot site at the Great Plains Commerce Center was officially opened during a ribbon-cutting ceremony attended by U.S. Senator Jerry Moran and Indra Group Chief Executive Officer Jose Vicente de los Mozos. The new center is designed as a manufacturing hub of excellence featuring advanced production and automated testing capabilities. The facility will focus on producing communication, navigation and surveillance systems, including next-generation radar technologies. It is expected to create more than 200 high-quality jobs over the next 3 years, significantly expanding the company's workforce in the region. Jose Vicente de los Mozos said, "With this project, we are successfully advancing our strategic plan to grow in the United States and taking a decisive step to strengthen Indra Group's position in a highly competitive American market, where we are already among the strongest companies in advanced solutions for civil and military air traffic management." He added, "Our investment in Kansas, the creation of more than 200 high-quality American jobs, and the transfer of advanced technology to the U.S. reflect our long-term commitment to America and to the FAA." The new site complements Indra's existing 40,000 square foot facility in Overland Park, increasing production capacity in the United States. The expansion supports a multi-million-dollar contract with the Federal Aviation Administration to manufacture advanced air traffic surveillance radars. Jerry Moran said, "Indra's decision to expand its presence in the Kansas City region is a win for our state, bringing an estimated 200 new high-tech manufacturing jobs to the community." He added, "Congress provided a $12 billion investment in the reconciliation bill to improve and modernize our air traffic control system, and I applaud Indra's partnership in investing in the Kansas workforce to support these important aviation safety efforts." The facility will also produce more than 20,000 Park Air radios for the FAA. In addition, it will manufacture portable tactical air navigation systems for the U.S. Air Force. The investment forms part of broader efforts to modernize the U.S. national airspace system under the brand-new Air Traffic Control System initiative. Officials said the new facility will play a key role in supporting aviation safety and infrastructure modernization. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.